Another one. Holy shit. This will be number 2. It's probably going off on the radio on FM
The
again.
National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, western York County in south central Pennsylvania.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County, Cumberland County, Dauphin County, Franklin County, and York County, effective until 4:47 p.m.
Mattress purchase.
Le repito la línea, 1-800-3.
NOAA, Steelton, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, and Hampton. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 213 to 253, Interstate 81 for mile markers 30 to 80, Interstate 83 for mile markers 25 to 50, Interstate 283 for mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Franklin, and York. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued